how to fix the Xbox not opening issues in Windows 11. So let's first go to Windows and type services.msc and open the services. And from here, select Xbox Accessory Management, double click and start the service and select the startup type as automatic and click on OK. And also go to Xbox Live Authentication Manager and also you start the services and make startup type as automatic. And after that, go to time and language and set the time zone and make sure that the time and date is correct. And after that, go to settings and go to apps. From here, go to Xbox and make sure that you repair all the Xbox apps installed on your device, and you should be able to fix the problem. So these are some of the fixes for Xbox not opening on Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, to subscribe and not forget to leave us a like and comment. Thank you.